A as in fat. The lips are open, not rounded, and the tongue is in the lowest position of all the front vowels. The tongue is flat on the floor of the mouth. The common spelling pattern for this sound is the letter A, as in hat, apple, man, and answer. Word pairs.
Bad example. National anthem. Back at the ranch. Accurate answer. Bad habit.
Practical plan. Annual gathering. Last chance. Handsome actor. Angry man. Sentences for practice.
This is your last chance to give me an accurate answer. Sam sat at the back of the math class. Danny had a salad and a sandwich in the cafeteria. Nancy has a bad attitude in her Spanish class. Kathy would rather study acting at the National Academy.
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for e and a. Make sure that you don't pronounce these words the same.
Men, man. Said, sad. And. Then, than.
Guess, gas. Slept, slapped. Head, had. Expensive, expansive. Word combinations for e and a. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Sad endings. Less land. Angry men.
10 gallons. Last exit. Bad friend. Ah, as in father. For the ah sound, the lips are apart as if you're yawning. The lips are not rounded. The tongue is relaxed and flat at the bottom of the mouth. The common spelling patterns for this sound are O as in hot, stop, modern, and job, and A as in father, watch, dark, and want. Word pairs.
Common problem. Body shop. Occupy the office. Office politics. Top to bottom.
Logical response. Hot topic. Modern hospital. Non-stop. Sloppy job. Sentences for practice.
Ronald is confident that he got the job. Scott goes to a lot of rock concerts. The doctor operated in the modern hospital. Bob will probably lock the office. He's got a lot of dollars in his pocket.
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for a and ah. Make sure that you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same.
Hat, hot. Lack, lock. Sack, sock. Sang, song.
Cap, cop. Add, odd. Rack, rock. Tap, top. Word combinations for a and ah. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Hot pan. Man's job. Top answer.
Got back. Bad dog. Back pocket. Advice from a successful student.
During my drive to and from work, I always listen to audiobooks. The speaker's voice is usually very clear and not sloppy like the speech I sometimes hear on the street. I listen closely to the accent of the speaker and try to imitate it. I play back certain parts over and over again. The more I do this, the better my accent gets.
As in fun. For the sound, the lips are completely relaxed and just slightly parted. The tongue is also very relaxed and in the middle position. The common spelling patterns for this sound are the letter U, as in but, fun, summer, drunk. The letter O, as in love, done, come, sun. The letters OU, as in cousin, country, and enough. Word pairs.
Young son. Jump up. Fun in the sun. Another subject. Wonderful mother.
Under the rug. Number 1. Undercover. Enough money. Sunday brunch. Sentences for practice.
Your younger brother doesn't trust us. What country does he come from? I had another fun summer in London. I don't have much stuff in the trunk of my truck. I love the sunny summer months.
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for ah and Make sure that you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same.
Dawn, done. Shot, shut. Fond, fund. Got, gut.
Lock, luck. non, none. Robber, rubber. Doll, dull. Word combinations for ah and Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Come on. Got lucky. Not enough. Cost much.
Fun job. Stop running. Jump on. Gunshot.